Most beginner traders don't fail because they lack strategies. They fail because of what's happening inside their mind. Indicators can be learned, charts can be studied, but emotions are harder to control. If you're a beginner trader, this video might feel uncomfortable because every mistake we're about to talk about feels personal. Mistake number 1, trading to be right. Most beginners don't trade to make money. They trade to prove they're right. Being wrong feels like failure. So instead of closing a bad trade, they hold it. They add to it. They defend it. Because exiting means admitting, I was wrong. The market doesn't care about your opinion. It doesn't care about your confidence. Professional traders accept being wrong quickly. Beginner traders fight the market to protect their ego. When ego enters a trade, discipline leaves. Mistake number 2, fear of missing out. FOMO doesn't look like excitement. It feels like panic. You see price moving fast, green candles everywhere, and your mind says, if I don't enter now, I'll miss it. So you chase the trade. You enter late. You ignore risk. By the time you buy, smart money is already selling. Most losses don't come from bad analysis. They come from rushed decisions. Patience is not optional in trading. It's a requirement. Mistake number 3, ignoring stop loss because of hope. Almost every beginner places a stop loss. Very few respect it. Price moves against them, and hope takes control. Just one more candle. Just a small pullback. The stop loss becomes optional. Small losses turn into big ones, not because the setup was bad, but because discipline disappeared. Hope is not a strategy. The market rewards execution, not optimism. Mistake number 4, revenge trading after a loss. Losses hurt, and beginners try to remove that pain immediately. So they trade again and again, not because there's a setup, but because they want to win back what they lost. Position size increases. Rules disappear. Now it's no longer trading. It's emotional gambling. Most blown accounts don't happen slowly. They happen in one emotional session. Revenge trading is not about money. It's about control, and the market always punishes it. Mistake number 5, obsession with money instead of process. Beginner traders watch their P&L constantly. Every tick feels personal. How much am I up? How much am I down? Professionals focus on something else. Execution. They ask, did I follow my plan? Did I manage risk properly? Money is the result. Process is the cause. If you chase money, you'll break rules. If you respect the process, money follows over time. Final message. Every trader makes these mistakes. Not because they're unintelligent, but because trading exposes emotions faster than almost anything else. The goal is not to remove emotions. That's impossible. The goal is to stop letting emotions make decisions. When you fix the mindset, discipline becomes easier. And when discipline becomes consistent, results take care of themselves. If you're still here, you're already ahead of most beginners, because awareness is the first step to control.